Hello, my name is Chris Cruz, and I'm the Director of Cloud Marketing here at Intervision. I'm here today to talk to you a little bit about how Intervision is helping state and local government agencies transform their contact centers and improve end-user experience with a cloud-based contact center solution known as Amazon Connect by Intervision. I'm fortunate enough to be joined today by Tom Keene, our Vice President of Public Sector Business Operations. Tom and his team are really the ones leading the charge with the work we're doing at CalNet and state and local government in general. So I'm very pleased to have him on board for the conversation today. How you doing, Tom?
I'm doing great, Chris. Thank you. Very excited about presenting Intervision and AWS Connect's availability through CalNet.
Awesome. Well, let's dive right in here to this conversation. So first and foremost, this quote you're seeing here is from a recent publication from Forrester, where they really took a deep dive and looked into user expectations for contact centers. And it's probably no surprise for you that end users, your citizens, are expecting to be able to contact you at any time through a variety of platforms, and they expect a very tailored experience on the other end. And this is really forcing organizations to take a closer look at what they're doing in their contact centers and driving modernization. Tom, I don't know if there's anything you want to add to that conversation there.
Yeah, I think we've all lived through and still living through certain things in the markets that have been forcing citizens to rely and to demand more services from their governments, be it state, local, city. COVID-19 is a perfect example of that, and whether it's increase in contact tracing or unemployment insurance, there has been an incredible demand from constituencies and citizens that have been placed on government organizations.
Perfect. And that really is what brings us to the solution itself. Amazon Connect, as I shared, is a cloud-based contact center solution that's really designed to simplify your contact center operations and improve the end user experience by providing an easy-to-use platform that is scalable and flexible and really is designed to scale out as you grow and through the consumption model be consumable in a way that you're only paying for what you use. And they couple that with Amazon's deep experience in AI and machine learning to help provide an even more tailored end user experience for the citizens that you're serving to ensure that they're getting the information they need at the time they need it. And to add on to all of that and to really observe how folks are interacting with your contact center, they have built-in real-time analytics and historical data in a secure environment. Tom, I don't know if there's anything you want to talk about specifically as it relates to Amazon Connect, specifically for state and local government in California.
I think you covered it, Chris.
Great. So let's talk a little bit specifically about why organizations are choosing to use Amazon Connect. Of course, you have the reliability and the flexibility of the AWS platform in general, and the scalability so that as you're growing out, you're not having to make huge commitments to new hardware, and the solution is scaling with you as you scale up. If you need to add a few new agents, you can turn those on, and if you need to scale back, you can turn it back. Again, it's going back to that consumption model that so many folks enjoy from AWS. Also, this platform is available anywhere and everywhere. If you have agents that need to work from home based on COVID restrictions, that does not prohibit them from connecting to the platform through Amazon Connect. And again, cannot overstress the usage-based pricing that is, I think, very appealing to organizations as they consider their options for their contact center. Anything specific there, Tom, you wanted to add?
Yeah, I think just a couple of things in terms of why this is so relevant for government organizations is this really starts with a hotline or a 1-800 number that's sort of randomly answered. This really helps provide some support around that type of help, and the Amazon Connect product and call center application really is just so flexible in enabling that quickly. And again, as you mentioned, it's pay as you go. You don't have to invest heavily in call center infrastructure.
Perfect. So here's some results from recent analysis conducted by Forrester that really talks about the net business impact that folks are seeing who are choosing Amazon Connect as their contact center platform. And really the things that I think are most relevant in the state and local government space is really the simplification and the reduced burden that's put on your agents. You can see that the system's administrator effort was reduced by 60, and this is looking at a large pool of clients here, 60%, that reduced supervisor effort by up to 20%. And of course, again, can't talk enough about the reduced cost here, which is just incredible, 241% ROI compared to other traditional contact centers as a service solutions. So really, folks who are choosing the Amazon Connect platform are seeing real results from that choice and moving forward with that solution. Tom, anything here that jumps out at you?
Yeah, the thing that really hits me is the reduced call volume. Having the ability to reach, more citizens that are demanding more services or updates, no matter what it is, just being able to service them quickly, efficiently, and without adding additional cost in terms of time on already overburdened employees.
Awesome. Yeah, exactly. I think that machine learning component that you're exposed to through this platform really can't be overstated in terms of abilities to be able to serve up the right information to your end user without even having to get an agent involved, right? And really reducing that call volume, as Tom touched on. So we talked a little bit about the Amazon Connect platform and the solution there. But let's talk a little bit about Intervision and what we bring to the table as part of this solution. Really, at the end of the day, Intervision has a deep legacy in managed services and AWS operations and migrations. So we can help you roll out Amazon Connect faster, cheaper, and more effectively than a DIY approach or the approach of some of our competition in the space. And we really are here to help you accelerate the adoption of the Amazon Connect solution, and also to come in and help you customize that solution, integrate with your existing platforms, whether that be your CRM or other databases, so that you're really getting the most value out of an already great service, which is Amazon Connect. Tom, anything you want to add here about our partnership with Amazon Connect at a high level?
Chris, the main thing that I want to hit on is Intervision has been servicing state and local governments within the state of California for over 15 years. We've served over 30 departments, cities, counties, all throughout the state of California. We are on various other contract vehicles with the state, and we are headquartered in the state of California. So, in addition to our technical expertise, we also understand the state and how business operates within the state and counties and cities of California.
Awesome. Yeah, I think it's really looking at that overarching expertise we have in this organization, but also that deep industry expertise we have in state and local government, and even more specifically in the state of California. So if you couple what Intervision brings to the table with this exciting Amazon Connect platform, it's really about our ability to come in and help you migrate faster to the platform, extend the support beyond what you would get with just a DIY approach with Amazon Connect, and integrate more deeply with the existing platforms you have. Again, we're here to come in and help make this as turnkey as possible, and even manage this platform going forward if you decide that this is not something that you want to be managing day to day, your call center operations. So we can come in, analyze what you've already got, help you migrate, help you build a plan, design a support model that's really designed to meet your needs, your specific requirements, and then integrate with the platforms that are most important to your business to, again, drive additional value from an already great contact center solution. So, Tom, we've talked a little bit about the platform. We've talked a little bit about our experience in state and local government. Why do you see that more and more organizations in state and local government in California are choosing Intervision for their strategic service provider?
Yeah, it's really simple. I mean, we have deep experience as Intervision in understanding how data centers operate. We've been providing services and equipment to data centers for over 25 years as Intervision, and couple that with our cloud expertise. In particular, we're talking about AWS today, but our competencies in government, in education, the ability to have the migration competency of AWS, and our understanding of how government operates and how to do business with government efficiently and economically in order for you to get the results that you need. So we are absolutely thrilled to be able to offer call center application through AWS on CalNet Next Gen, and that's categories 27 and 28.
Perfect. Thanks for that, Tom. Yeah, at the end of the day, most organizations have cloud first initiatives, but they also still have on-premise data centers that they need to be thinking about. And as Tom touched on, I think more and more organizations choose Intervision based on our deep expertise in both the hyperscale cloud and the data center operations. So, and again, the fact that we're available through the CalNet contracting vehicle makes it easier on your end to do business with us. So if you'd like to learn more about what Intervision does or more about our CalNet solutions, you can reach out to Tom Keene, who you've heard from here today. He is our expert in all things state and local government in California. He can certainly answer your questions and get you connected to the right folks on our end. His contact information is here. Or if you'd like to reach us through our website, you can go to www.intervision.com and click the contact button, and one of our experts will be reaching out to you right away. Tom, thanks again for joining us for the conversation, and thanks to everyone for taking time out of their day to listen to a little bit about what we're doing with CalNet and Contact Center Solutions. Take care.
Thank you very much.